Hi friends, today I am going to say you important awards of India and their fields. There are 35 types of awards in India. First, we will talk about the awards in India from starting friends. Friends, we will start. First award, Bharat Ratna. It is the highest civilian award of the India. The award was given for outstanding achievements in the arts, literature, science, and public services, but the government expanded the criteria to include any field of human endeavor. The number of annual awards is restricted to a maximum of 3 in a particular year. Second award, Padma Awards. There are three types of Padma Awards. They are Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Shri. Awards are for exploration and distinguished service in any field, including service rendered by government servants. The third award of India, Gallantry Awards. There are three types of Gallantry Awards: Paramveer Chandra, PVC, Ashok Chakra, Shaurya Chakra are given for appreciating the brave and gallant. The fourth award of India, Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize is widely regarded as the most prestigious award available in the fields of literature, medicine, physics, chemistry, peace, and economics. The fifth prize, Booker Prize, Literature. It is an annual award for the best original novel written in the English language and published in the UK Literary Award. The sixth award, Vyasasaman, Literature. Vyasasaman is awarded annually by the KK Birla Foundation in recognition of the Hindi literary work published in the past 10 years. Murti Devi Award, Literature. The Devi Award is an annual literary award in India presented by the Bharatiya Jnanpith organization for a work which emphasizes Indian philosophy and culture. Eighth award, Saraswati Saman, Literature. The award was introduced in 1991 by the KK Birla Foundation. It is an annual award given for outstanding prose and poetry literary works in 22 Indian languages. Ninth award, Jnanpith Award, Literature. The award was instituted in 1961 and it is in presented by the Bharatiya Jnanpith, a trust founded by the Sahu Jain family, the publishers of the newspaper The Times of India. It is an annual award given for outstanding prose or poetry literary works in 22 Indian languages as the Saraswati Saman Award. 10th award, Bihari Puraskar. Bihari Puraskar is a literary award instituted by KK Birla Foundation. The award is named after the famous Hindi poet Bihari and is awarded to an outstanding work published in Hindi or Rajasthani by a Rajasthani writer. 11th award, the Oscar Academy Awards, Films. This is an annual American awards ceremony honoring cinematic achievements in the film industry. 12th award, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Cinema or Films. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award is India's highest award in cinema. It is presented annually at the National Film Awards ceremony by the Directorate of Film Festivals, an organization set up by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. 13th award, Arjuna Award, outstanding performance from the sports persons in sports and games. The government has modified the format of Arjuna Award very recently, and as per the revised schematic guidelines, a sports person must have very good consistent performance for the previous 3 years at the international level to be considered as eligible for the award. 14th award, Dronacharya Award, eminent coaches of any particular sport, example badminton, cricket, any other, etc. The award is named after the very famous archery coach mentioned in the epic of India known as the Mahabharata. This very award is not related with the sports persons who are still playing in the field. Instead, this is related to those eminent coaches of any particular sport. 15th award, Dhyan Chand Award. The award that is given to the veteran sports persons of India for their lifetime achievement in their respective field of sport is named as the Dhyan Chand Award for the lifetime achievement in sports and games. 16th award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is the highest honor bestowed to a sports person for his or her achievements in India. Sterling Prize, Architecture. The Royal Institute of British Architects Sterling Prize is a British prize for excellence in architecture. 18th award, Aga Khan Award, Architecture. The Aga Khan Award for Architecture, AKAA, is an architectural prize established by Aga Khan for in 1977. It aims to identify and reward architectural concepts that flying successfully address the needs and aspirations of Islamic societies in the fields of contemporary design, social housing, community development and improvement. 19th Prize of India, Pritzker Prize, Architecture. The Pritzker Architectural Prize is awarded annually to honor a living architect. 20th award, Shanti Swarup Bhantanagar Prize, Science and Technology. The Shanti Swarup Bharata Prize for Science and Technology, SSB, is a science award in India given annually by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, for notable and outstanding research applied for fundamental in biology, chemistry, environmental science, engineering, mathematics, medicine, and physics. 21st Award of India, Kalinga Prize for Science. The Kalinga Prize for the popularization of science is an award given by UNESCO for special skill in presenting scientific ideas to lay people. Grammy Award for Music. A Grammy Award or Grammy is an accolade by the National Academy of Recording Arts and Science of the United States to recognize outstanding achievement in the music industry. 23rd Prize of India, Abel Prize, Mathematics. The Abel Prize is an international prize awarded annually by the government of Norway to one or more outstanding mathematicians. 24th Award of India, International Gandhi Peace Prize. This award is given to individuals and institutions for their contributions towards social, economic, and political revolution through non-violence and Gandhian philosophy. The award carries rupees 10 million in cash. 25th Award, Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award. This is for excellence in public administration, academics and management. 26th Award, Green Star Awards. The Green Star Award recognizes those who have made extraordinary efforts to respond to environmental disasters around the world. The Magsaysay Award, Public Service, Leadership, Journalism, Literature, Creative Arts, and International Understanding. 28th Award, Pulitzer Prize. The Pulitzer Prize is an award for achievements in newspaper and online journalism, literature, and musical composition in the United States. 29th Award, Sahitya Akademi Award, Books in Indian Language and English. 30th Award, Manthan Award. It is an initiative in India to recognize the best practices in e-content and creativity. 31st award, FIFA Awards. The FIFA Awards honor the fragrance industry's creative achievements. 32nd award, Sangeet Natak Academy Award. This award is given for music and dance and drama. 33rd award, BAFTA Awards. This award is given for television, films and video games, any other or animation. 34th award, Courage in Journalism Award, prized by the International Women's Media Foundation IWMF for women journalists. It recognizes women who write from dangerous areas. 35th award, Mother Teresa Memorial Awards for Social Justice MTMA, prized by the Harmony Foundation. This is an organization created by Abraham Mathai in Mumbai. It is the only award in the name of the Mother Teresa recognized by the Missionaries of Charity. The honor individuals and organizations that promote peace, equality, and social justice. Friends, this is the 35th awards in India which are distributed by the government of India. Friends, if any mistakes in this video, please excuse. Friends, thank you friends. Subscribe to my channel friends. Like to video. Thank you friends. Subscribe.